Welcome to Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2015 Coffee Mug Tutorials. I'm Johannes Gudmundsson, founder of Enecta, a Microsoft Gold certified partner. Using a coffee mug as an example, I'll show you how to create items, purchase orders, sales orders, manage inventory, and much more. So go ahead and grab your own cup of joe and let's get started. Hello again, and welcome to the Coffee Mug Tutorials. What I wanted to go over in this session is how to filter and change the sorting, etc., and move around in lists in NAV. Right now, I have this screen, which is my role center. I'm the sales order processor. For example, when I look at sales orders, I see here I have the number, sell to customer number, sell to customer name, external document number, etc. Now some of these columns I don't really want to see, so I'm gonna tailor it around a little bit. So I can actually go up here and say choose columns and take a look at what I have. And I'm not interested in having the project department, shipping agent, whether it's completely shipped, shipping advice, none of that. I'll have the shipment date, not interested in the document date or the posting date. Everything is in the US, so no currency, no campaign. I do want to know who the salesperson is, the status, and what location it's going out of. And that's pretty much it. So I cleaned it up a lot. Now I only have these columns. So this is much cleaner, much easier to work with. Also, I can sort by any column I want. So if I want to see everything that is in the blue location together, I can just click on the location code and see that it sorts. And then green, red, white, etc. I can do the same with the salesperson and see it sorted like that. Now if I want to see only what is being shipped out on the 20th, 2016, I can right click and say filter to this value. And now I see everything that's on the 20th. Let's see that everything that's on the 20th going out of the blue location. Again, filter to this value. And now I have filtered both the location and the shipment. Now how do I see what I've filtered on? If I go up here, I can click on expand, and it actually drops down into filters on the list. And here I can see what filters have been applied. Actually, in here, it does not show the filters I applied in the list, as you can see. But in order to take those filters off, all I have to do is click here, and then it opens it all up again. Now if I wanted to filter using this drop down, I can go ahead and do that. So for example, I can go ahead and take a look at status, and I only want to see released, and now the list is getting filtered again. How to turn that off? Click here and it's off. So that's how you can manipulate filters in a list. Now further, there are some rules we could use. For example, I can say, well, I want to filter the customer name by anything that starts with the. If I type in the, it automatically picks that up. I can also say anything that has a DEV in it. If I do like this, it picks that up. So it tries to figure out what you want to filter by when I put this in here. If I then clear it again, and that's off. Now, here I have sales orders, and I have all kinds of filtered sales orders, like what is approved, and I'll get my list again. That's not with the columns that I want, but you see that they have all special filters. Now how do I create these filtered ones? Let's say I only want to see the sales orders that are in the location blue. So all I have to do here is start by entering a filter. I'm going to go to the location code, type in blue, and now I have that. And I can actually go here and say save view as. Now what I'm doing is saving the sales orders as a link on my left hand side. And I'm actually going to call that sales orders blue location. And I hit OK. And now I'm actually getting refreshed. And I go into the sales orders. Now I see I have an extra column here called, or extra link called sales orders in the blue location. If I click on that, then I only see that, and I actually see it with the column layout that I had set up, which is very convenient. So that was a quick way of how to manipulate lists and filters in NAV and tailoring that as we go.